Achieving big, ambitious goals can seem daunting. The sheer scope of massive targets like starting a business, writing a book, or getting in shape can overwhelm us and make it hard to even get started. But what if there was a simple, proven way to tackle huge goals? By taking massive targets and breaking them down into smaller, bite-sized milestones. This video will show you exactly how to break down big goals into manageable pieces so you can actually achieve them. Let's get started. The first step is clearly defining your big, audacious goal. What is the ultimate objective or large-scale target you want to accomplish? Get crystal clear on the big goal up front. Next, break that down into major milestones that must get completed to reach the finish line. Identify 3 to 5 key phases of progress. This provides major checkpoints along the path. Now, drill down further to define smaller milestones within each phase. These are bite-sized, tangible steps that move you towards each broader milestone. For example, if your goal is to launch an online business, major milestones could include: develop product/service, set up website, market and sell. And smaller milestones for phase 1 on developing a product could include: research market and competitors, choose a niche, outline product features, design brand and packaging. See how breaking a huge goal into major milestones first, then smaller measurable steps creates a path to follow? Here are some tips when defining milestones. Make each milestone specific with an action and deadline. Have 3 to 7 milestones per major phase. Celebrate when you complete each milestone. Be flexible, adjust as needed along the way. Creating this step-by-step sequence turns an abstract, overwhelming goal into a clear set of achievable targets. Each one you complete builds confidence and momentum. So break that huge goal down into bite-sized milestones and take the first step today. Consistent progress over time will let you accomplish any big dream. Ambitious goals don't need to intimidate you, just remember to break them down into smaller, manageable milestones. This gives you a clear roadmap to follow one step at a time. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips for breaking down big goals. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on achieving your greatest ambitions.